This here's the 2008 Ram 1500. It's got 65,768 miles on the truck, red in color. Got the chrome wheels. Looking at the inside, showing that you got the power windows, power locks, and power mirrors. Cloth interior. Center console does go up and down. You've got the power windows and power locks on the other side. CD player, air and heat controls. It also comes with a power sliding rear window. Here in the back, showing that it is the Bighorn edition with the flex fuel. Once again, this is a 2008 Dodge Ram 1500, red in color, with 65,768 miles.